Hey guys, if you're looking to figure out how to scale your ad account within Meta using content and scaling content and iterating off of content, but you have no idea where to start or how to start, I'm breaking that down for you. We have worked with over 150 Shopify brands over the last 7.5 years, generating $30 million this year alone. I want to walk you through my system that I use with my team and our creative strategists and our media buyers to isolate and determine what creative works, why it works, and how then to scale. If you're interested, let's get into it. Hey guys, my name is Chris Morano, founder of Blue Water Marketing, an agency that works with Shopify stores, taking them from 7 figures to 8 figures and beyond using paid media, content, and retention. Like I was just saying, the key to Meta these days is creative, and it's creative at scale, meaning you have to create a ton of content to figure out what works and what doesn't work and how to effectively increase your budgets while maintaining your profit. But there's a caveat, is if you are creating 100 pieces of content or 100 ads every single month, how in the world do you track it and get any learnings from it? And that's what we're getting into today. I'm going to show you exactly how to track it so that you can take this system, implement it for your ads, and scale your store. So if you're here, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe. I create content to help you scale your Shopify stores. Let's get into our system. So we are in our ClickUp right now. And if you aren't familiar with ClickUp, it's a project management tool. It's great. This isn't an affiliate. This isn't anything. It's free too, I think. Either way, I'm just showing you what works for us. This is a client that signed on with us 3 weeks ago. Maybe 4. Right before Black Friday, we launched ads. And so I wanted to break this down to you guys because this has taken me a long time to figure out how to do this. Right here, we have a total of 36 ads here. Now, this is only in the last 3 weeks, and this is only one of our 19 accounts. This is also a client that's only spending $10K a month, and we have clients spending $250,000 a month or $300,000 a month. So you can see that my team creates an endless amount of content. Now the question becomes, across all of the accounts, across all of the personas, all of the angles, how are we going to track all of this? And that's what I'm going to show you. So this is super simple, and it took a while to get here. Like I said, the key is we have our creative type. We have carousel, static, UGC, lifestyle, new brief with existing footage or new footage from the client, a mashup, an iteration. Those are the ads that we make. It's pretty cut and dry in that sense. Then from the theme, we have trust builders, before and afters, features and benefits, media PR, questions, us versus them, announcements, holiday. So this is how we start to categorize things. Because the key is, if I just quickly look, I'm like, okay, hey, standby, meaning we haven't launched these yet. Got a whole lot of UGC going out in round 2. And we work on design sprints or creative sprints. So essentially, sometimes it falls on the calendar month. Other times it's just we're churning out content all the time. From here, we say, okay, hey, we had a really nice round currently live of statics, new briefs with existing footage, UGC, lifestyle ads, statics, UGC. Like that's a really nice creative mix to have in an ad account. From there, we have all the trust builders. So we're like looking, okay, we have a trust builder here. We have features, benefits. We have questions, features, benefits, questions. Again, the themes of the creative really diversified there. We're able to pinpoint quickly what's going to work and what's not. From there, during our onboarding process, we have a very detailed persona client brief that we create. In that, we have all these different angles, and I can walk you through that in just a minute, where we're establishing, what this product solves for specific consumers. So that's what we have here. Now, scrolling down, you guys can see the way we start to establish winners versus losers is, are we able to get purchases at a volume at a KPI that's set forth by the client? Now, remember, as a performance agency, we have to hit KPI. So we need to establish winners versus losers as quickly as possible, but we have to know why they're winners and why they're losers. That's where this is extremely important. So in this, we can see call out 5 stars. That's a winner. There was something about that all natural angle That resonated. This one, winner, a question. So we clearly asked a question that related to a problem that the consumer was having. And then UGC, we have all of our hooks and we track that differently. From here, we have all our losers. So we already have 6 losers in 3 weeks. Pretty quick. Hey, it happens. Usually 20% of ads win, 80% lose. This is how we're tracking all of this. Now, we have our angles. So this is another client. We have our angles. So pain and frustration, empathy, relatability, desired outcome from a general persona. We have more down below, but I don't want to show that to you because it's proprietary. From there, we have our callouts. So these callouts are going to be in relation to the pain and frustration of this persona. And this is what's included on our static images. This is key. This is where the magic happens. This is where we are able to understand whether or not ads are working and our messaging is correct or incorrect. So screenshot this, take a look at it. I highly recommend starting to implement a system like this for tracking your creative so that you know what is working. Understand the messaging, understand the styles. Maybe there are specific themes, an us versus them just keeps hitting. You won't know unless you put a system like this in for tracking. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, hit thumbs up, hit subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, click the link down below, book a call with myself or one of my team members to see if we can help you scale your stores. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.